Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sort alphabetically in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so there are two main ways how you can sort alphabetically in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you in this project management sheet we have. In sheet 28 we have the list of US states and their population, and as you can see currently the table is sorted by the population of the state. So it's for California is the first, Texas is second. But what if we want to sort this table by the name of the state? So we want Alabama and all the states starting with A first and Wyoming as the last one. So how we can do this? So the first option is to sort alphabetically using the columns. So what you can do is right click on the column header and you will see sort sheet A to Z. So if you use this one, as you can see, the states have been sorted alphabetically. The problem is that this will not recognize that this is a column header, and as you can see the column header has been added to the alphabetical list. So let's undo this, because if you have a column header, what I would recommend to do is select the table you want to sort alphabetically, then you can click on data in the menu bar and select create a filter. And once you create a filter, of course you can filter the table, but what you can also do is sort alphabetically. And in this case, Google Sheets will recognize that state is the column header or the table header, and it won't add it to the state list. And as you can see, Google Sheets has successfully sorted the US states alphabetically. So now this is how to sort alphabetically in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe